Are you a glass half empty or a glass half full person? Even if we know logically that both of the glasses have the same amount of water, we make the different decisions, right? We often tend to choose different answers, right? The way information is presented to us has a huge impact on our decisions and how we perceive things. This is called the framing effect. It is a psychological phenomena that occurs when people react differently to something just by how it is framed or presented to them. Take YouTube for example. Have you ever noticed the video quality options while watching a video? YouTube avoids writing lower picture quality by reframing it as a data saver. The word low seems negative and can associate YouTube with low quality or value. This is a good example of how words invoke associations in our minds. Makes sense, right? Now that you understand what the framing effect is, it's hard to unsee it. Whether be it food products mentioning 80% fat free instead of 20% fat, or hotels mentioning check availability instead of book a room, it's literally everywhere. So marketers, let us know in the comments below how you will be using the framing effect in your next campaign.